We now go to the neuromuscular breathing exercises. It has a number of benefits, regulates the endocrine system and oxygenizes the blood. These exercises regulate the endocrine system and oxygenize the blood. These exercises regulate the endocrine system and oxygenize the blood. They ventilate the lungs and increase the vital energy. They help in curing headache, insomnia, asthma and other bronchial troubles. Tiredness is not felt even after working for a full day. Students are benefited in the studies due to increase in absorbing capacity, retention capacity and recalling capacity. Functioning of the nervous system is improved. Sit in the kneeling posture, that is Vajrasana, with the right big toe over the left big toe. Keep your knees close together. Rest your bottom comfortably on the heels. Join the index finger and thumb of each hand, forming a ring. This is Chin Mudra. Stretch out the other three fingers. Fix the joint fingers between the thighs and the abdomen, and the other fingers over your thighs. Inhale slowly and deeply. Exhale slowly and simultaneously bend forward as much as possible without any strain. Your bottom should not be raised off the heels. While bending forward, the spinal cord, neck and head should be in a straight line. Then inhale slowly and deeply and simultaneously raise the body to the upright position. Do this breathing exercise 5 times. Maintain the kneeling posture. Bend both the thumbs onto the palms of both hands. Close the forefingers over the thumb and keep the fist joined on your lap. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and deeply and simultaneously bend forward. Then inhale slowly and deeply while raising the body to the upright position. Do this exercise 5 times. Keep in mind that in both the exercises, you should not bend your neck or head. Sit comfortably in a cross-legged position, Sukhasana. Cover the navel with the right palm and the right ear with the left palm. The folded left arm should touch and press the left chest. Keep the body erect and face straight. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply without retention of breath. By doing this, a slight pressure is created on the front of the left lung. When a deep breath is drawn, the back of the left lung and the entire right lung are fully expanded. Do this deep breath 5 times. Change your hands to the opposite side. Cover the navel with the left palm and the left ear with the right palm. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply. Do not retain your breath at any stage. By doing this exercise, a slight pressure is created on the front of the right lung When a deep breath is drawn, the back of the right lung and the entire left lung are filled with air and are fully expanded. Do this breathing exercise 5 times. Cover the right ear with the left palm and the left ear with the right palm. Your left forearm should touch your chest and the right forearm should be over your left forearm. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply. Do not retain your breath at any stage. By this exercise, the back portions of both the lungs are fully expanded. Do this breathing exercise 5 times. Cover the right ear with the right palm and the left ear with the left palm, spreading the arms sideways. Fingers should touch the back side of the head. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply. Here, both the lungs are fully expanded. Do deep breathing 5 times. Cup your hands and do palming of the eyes with the left palm over the left eye and the right palm over the right eye. The eyes should be closed. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply. Do this breathing exercise 5 times. Keep in mind that in each of these 7 postures, we do not retain our breath after inhalation or exhalation.